What's the deal? What's the deal, everybody? How are we doing on this lovely evening? Sorry, I'm late. I was out and about with my kids. I was with them out on skateboards and scooters, and we came home, and yeah, we came home like 7:59. I ran over here, turned everything on, changed the diaper, wiped the behind, and now we're here. Yeah, we are. Oh shit, you got the C word? Emil Ben got the C word. Nice. Nice. Good shit. You know what you do with it? Go to the gym. You'll feel better, but everyone else will feel worse, and it'll kind of even out. This is not health advice. All right. This is just guidance. All right, let's get into it because we already have we are breaking down here. The daily's bullish, but we broke the daily highs and came back now. I think the daily closed into resistance here. Yeah, boy. Oh, it closed right above it, right? Look, it closed right above this little resist. So I'd expect this to come back in range and then come back up. We might not come back up today, though. Coming down, breaking down here. Ooh, this is our fives. Ooh, this is nice. This is clean, clean, clean. This is queen. I know you guys. I know you, chat. You're in positions already. There are people in this chat that are in positions. All right, we just got a closure below here. Give me a sec. Measure some things out. Chat. Let's close below, clearly. Let's wait for resistance to form here. And we can take ourselves. Because the daily's bullish and we just had this big drive on the 5. It might drive through. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then it comes back, makes a resistance. We'll be right in on it. Yo, what is this? Power up your plan. Fuck you. I mean, with all due respect. Not powering shit up. I'm already powered up. Look at this power cup I have. And there we go. There's the drive. Yeah, grab liquidity. I mean, this is solid. I just don't want 40 pip stops here against the daily bias. Been in that self since 1949. Right here? No way. Word? Right here? You got in right here? Stop playing. Dave, you know something we don't know? You got him right here. Get him on stream. We're about to hand over the reins. It's just jokes. We're trolling. Yeah, drop a like, chat. Sub to the channel. Let's get some new people in here. And it's early. Don't panic. Thank you for all the hate mail yesterday. I appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys are good for the algo. But as we're driving down here, yeah, this is clean. At 16 pips, you can go break even. Anyone's in on that. This is clean. I guess you could have used this as the liquidity grab right here, right? This candle came back up and reflipped here, close below range. Yeah. Just we drove this whole distance here, and what you don't want is this, right? Out of nowhere, reverse on you. I want some kind of resistance here. It's all right if it comes back up above this level at 1943.9. It comes back below it, we'll take more sells. You seem in a great mood today. You know, I honestly was not in a great mood. Okay, I'm lying. I'm always in a fucking great mood. That's a fucking lie. You guys know that's a fucking lie. I'm always in a great fucking mood. This is great. You in this trade? No. And I feel great. Life's awesome. I missed that trade. It misses you too. Looks, do you see the buys? No, I do not. You know what? I'm gonna look into this and into incorporating this. I might take this trade next time because look how the trade. Okay, we wanted a liquidity grab, right? We want a resistance to form, but this candle, the one previous closed below, but this candle came up, grabbed the liquidity, and closed below. I think it's using this candle's liquidity to drive. We get these. If we had this candle on the next one, I would have taken it. This is clean. Look to the left, clean candle, closure below. It grabbed liquidity here, so clean to drive. Go in the 1 minute for me. To the left and drove up? No, but it closed at this level. This one ended up, see, that's why we didn't take a buy here or sell, because it's an uncertainty. But then it closed below and then you had this clean level to drive. Yeah, I think if I had more time on stream, I probably would have been ready. All right, yeah. Subarus, I got the STI, the Subaru STI. You send signals on Telegram? No, only here on the live. Whatever you see me do on the live, that's what I do, and that's it. Don sends out signals, and if you guys, he's not always on, but if you guys really pay attention, like, you guys pay attention during the streams, there's massive moves happening outside of the streams that you guys can catch. You just have to pay attention. You watch Dragon Ball Z? At some point when I was younger, for some reason I got older and all the Dragon Ball Z characters stayed the same age. You know, I used to look like Goku because I had the big hair. In high school, I used to spike it. Yeah, it took me all of Q4 to get used to it. No, I don't have a charger. I haven't charged my phone on the charger in 2 days. Super Saiyan. How much room? How much room? give you here? Did it give you 10 pips? Because I'm looking at it on my broker, and the entry on my broker with the spread, I would have maxed out here at like 8 pips, unless this next candle dries. But if it comes up, if we come back up above 1944 and then come back down, I'm gonna be in sells. But yeah, this is looking like it might drive. Can you explain the 5 minute? Okay, let's. Everybody. Daily bullish, previous 4-hour close bullish, current 4 hour is a bearish candle, but it hasn't closed yet. So right now we are bullish. 1 hour, range 1, right? Now you need a support formed here, and then a break of that to give you a range 2. Or you need to close below 1942.5, because I believe on the 1 hour, sometime on April 5th or 6th or something like that, we had a level here at 43.25, 43.5, yeah, right there. So we're below that level, and this is a range 2 level on the 1 hour. And we can go to the 30. So we had support, resistance, range 1, right? Same thing as the 1 hour. You'd want to see some kind of support formed here, and then another resistance in order to take the sells. So you want to see a support formed and broken, basically. And then we drop down to the 5 to really zoom in where we can take advantage of that. And looks like it's found support here on the 5. Now I want it to come up, grab some resistance, and then grab some liquidity, form a resistance, and then we can get in the sells. So if a candle comes up above here, above this level that we have shown on our charts, right? If we come up here as such, and then next candle comes back down and closes below here, you guys already know, we will take those sells. If the next candle comes back below, our sells will be right here, and we will look for this. Okay? Perfect. Until then, let's wait for a resistance to form. I try and hear you. Is the music too loud? Shouldn't be. Jeez. Come on, Paul. If you ain't gonna give this PC away, you gotta chill with that PC. He already gave it away, chat. Like, yo, chat, don't forget free PC giveaway. Paul just won a free PC giveaway. He just wants a congratulations. I just want to say congratulations. Alright, so this is our 5 minute now, right? So we have a new level here on the 5 minute. This closed bullish. So technically now that's a support. It's our range here. Now this candle closes below here. Where's our next? Excuse me, chat. What you use to draw candles, it's zoom annotations. Bill? Shit. I've been trading for 4 years, Mr. Shit. Wax, vape, basically, yeah. You update the stream record on the left? Why wouldn't I? That's why it's there. Nope. December comes, we're gonna be still 5-2-1. This is from 2020. This record right here. It was my best month, so I decided to never remove it. Yeah, I'm microdosing shrooms over here in this vape. Do you look at retail sentiment when planning a trade? Let's look at retail sentiment. Oops. Bank holiday, Aussie. China, bank holiday. Oh. Sentiment is for it to range. Does anyone know what liquidity grabbed me? All right, I'm gonna show it to you one time, and that's it. You ready? Here it comes. Boom. See that? Live example of a liquidity grab. Boom. Amazing. Done here on stream in front of 400 people. We're getting a 30 closure here in 2 minutes, chat. Let's see what the 30 does. See if we can get some position on the 13. I doubt it here because there's a level here. Let's see if we can drive past it. 5 seems like it's driving past it, right? Isn't bad, chat. Turn that into a meme. Yeah, if anybody wants to do the clips for the stream, you guys are more than welcome to do it. Send them in. Once I get so many messages, once I get to it, I'll look at it. If it's dope, I'll write you back anyway, but give you my opinion. But I get a lot of messages. Where am I? Can we get a closure belosure? Saw a 30 level. My issue here is the higher time frames. 4 hour, it's gonna close bare. It's gotta pull back a little. did close below, but if you look at it here, we haven't formed a support here. So technically, this is all still a range. One. Tell you what, chat. What is it on the breakout of lows? We could get a closure below here on the 5. We're gonna be in a position. Remember I said when we were driving down, I wanted it to come make a support and then make a resistance. Once we make a resistance, I'm fine with taking these sells. Amo killed it earlier. Yeah, it was a nice response to losing stream. Well, it was W stream is just, you know, take a loss on stream. It's the vibes, especially for us. Stops here. It's not bad. 30 pip stops here. There's lots of range to fill. What we eating? This is good. The way this is forming is good. Where's the boys works? In what sense? I'm the only man in this household. Besides the fucking cat, and even that's questionable. Carson, the cat's still pissed he left him out in the rain. Yeah, whatever. He was all over me yesterday when I fed him. Can't be pissed at the hand that feeds. So if you go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so about 30 minutes here when we did the breakdown, about 25 minutes ago, we said how we'd like to see this candle come back above here, create a resistance, and then we'll trade it down. So and now at this point, if we can get the next 5, if we can get this candle to close bearish back below here, I'll take a sell on this candle close. If this candle closes bearish. Do you see the buys now, Wicks? No, I do not. Morning, Wicks. The candle closes above the range, bullish. Would you take a buy if the next candle wicks down? But no, because you are buying into a bearish 1 hour. You don't know what this wick is going to be. This 1 hour can close anywhere in here. Into a bearish 4 hour with the last 15 of this 4 hour. So yeah, it pulled back and left a wick. But I'm not. There's no point here. Am I bearish? I'm going to expect the next candle to come down. I mean, yeah, bullish. I'm going to expect the next candle to come down because the higher time frames are closing bearish. So what? You're getting a 30 closure bullish, but you don't know how bullish it's going to close. This 30 might close below here, right? And at this level, and if it closes below here, it closes bullish, but respecting this level. So it's still respecting resistance, right? That's the 30 resistance there. So it's key how we close. You don't have enough information to effectively say we're going to come up or we're going to come down. Fake out, yeah, okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for a candle to come back in range here. The problem is if it's on the next candle, that's 8:45, and that's the closure of the 4 hour. So this might just range up here, come up more. We don't know how the 4 hour is going to close. It's clear support now, clear resistance. Now you come back in range. Let's say the next 15 comes down back in range. That's 9 a.m. That's on the 15. That's an hourly closure, bearish, right? That's going to be a 15 faking out. That's going to be a 30 respecting this level. So once we get a top wick on the next hourly, next 30, next 15, we're going to execute, right? But for now, it is pulling back. You were asking at what point can we start thinking of buys? Once we start breaking above this level here, above 1946.312, right? Well, that was the most simple explanation that I ever got in all the streams. For learning purposes, when to go bullish, what should happen for you to go bullish? Couple of 1 here candle go bullish? No, you need to close bullish. You need to respect the level. You need to break above a certain level. It's telling you you're coming up, right? Ranges get filled, so you need to break into a range, or tops and bottoms get retested, right? So you need to see if you're going to retest something. The candle has to give you an indication. What those indications are, those are very, very sharp details you need to pick up on, and you can't pick up on them by asking a question. You have to be in the markets and really see it in action, right? Like I said, it's very tough to do an in-person course when someone needs to see you apply something in order for them to be able to apply something, not just know the concept. I can teach you whatever. Doesn't mean you're going to be able to apply it. You need to see it in action, see it applied, in order to have a better grasp, not even a complete grasp, just a better grasp of what I'm doing. Low-key trying to trade Asian only. Well, when you announce it to 460 people on Asian session, it's not low-key, K. I love that saying though, low-key. It's like, Don, I'm low-key trying to get a car. Motherfucker, the entire industry knows you're trying to get a car. Shit. So we got a 5-minute closure here. Closed above. Can this next candle come down and close below? Below, blow. Close below, blow. I don't think I'll take it. I'm gonna wait for a closure below here because here's the thing. I might take it on the higher time frame at the close of the hour. This is the last 15 of the 4 hour, and this will just go against all of my principles. Take this last 15 of the 4 hour because this can flip. I mean, price action is price action. Candles are candles, right? And candles are just a reflection of human psychology. So anything that gives you candles, you can trade. Yeah, there's different characteristics to different pairs. Different things affect them. So, you know, I've never tested this on any other pairs. Just GJ and gold tends to run better than GJ. That's it. Not trying to complicate things. I don't want to make it sound easy, but you know, it can be as simple or as difficult as you want it to be, and I want this to be pretty simple. Any trade pairs you trade? One. I only trade gold. Yeah, drop a like. We're 40 minutes into the session, not even 100 likes. Let's get to 100. Let's go. Wix forgot where he came from, right? I remember it used to take me 2 sessions to get to 100 likes. But lately, it's been like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 100 likes. I don't know. Just join the chat. You looking for buys or sells? We're looking for this 4-hour candle to close. And then we will see if we have more info. It's a very nice level here too. So we come up above here, we come back below. I'll be open for sells. Hey, do me a favor. Close my door. Thank you. Love you. Her first tooth fell out today. First one. So, yeah. Now she's running up to me the whole evening. She's like, she wants me to, because she can't download games or buy games on the iPad without my fingerprint, right? So she keeps coming up to me. She's like, I want this game. I want that game. You doing the tooth fairy thing? Of course. My 10-year-old still believes in it. My 10-year-old still gets fucking, you know, she loses a tooth, $20 and an apple. She's been getting, it started off when she was 1, or when she was 2. She lost the tooth, and it was been she got $1 and an apple, and then eventually it just went to $5 and to 10. No, I'm lying. It was never a 10. It went to 5. And one time, my wife gave her a 20. So you can't go backwards, right? Tooth fairy can't just show up with a 20 one day and then for the next tooth give you a 5. So my girl set me up. I'm stuck with the 20s now. To be honest, made an impulse entry sell at the bottom, didn't wait for a close below, ended up closing out -13. Thankfully, I did lesson learned. Yeah? Okay, chat. Here's the thing. Last 15 of the 4 hour. Historically, the 4 hour likes to pull back, leave a bottom wick, but or leave a wick altogether, right? Right now, it's just pulling back, and if it flips bullish, we are gonna look for buys. There's a 4 hour flip here. 37. Yeah, this is the area, so we will look for buys above here. I believe that's the 1 hour as well. The low, yeah, look, the 1 hour gave us seller last time we came up. We closed above here. It closed bearish, but respected this area and then still drove up. So we will look for buys above here. Until then, we don't close above there. We will look for nothing, nada, zip, zilch, zero, nol, nil. I think I repeated nil a few times. Bada bing, bada boom. Yo, what's the score in the Rangers game? I know Don's watching the game too. I got 20 bucks at night. All my teeth as a kid. Knows the truth. You ruined it for her. Well, I'm never gonna let it out. And even if she thinks she knows the truth, I'm gonna ride this out to the last day. Right? Don't ruin it for your kids. You guys still think funded companies are real accounts. Nobody ruins it for you, right? Nobody's out there like, no, it's demo. I'm just saying, nobody's fucking it up for you. Don't fuck it up for your kids. Retest almost done. Well, we're not taking a position here. Look. We are sitting and watching. I didn't mean to ruin it for you, Alex. My bad. Did account still? Okay, bad analogy. No, let's not do fun. You guys still think IML is profitable? Nobody ruins it for you. Is that a better analogy? Nobody's over there going, "Hey, no, it's a pyramid scheme." Nobody's ruining that for you, huh? Don't ruin it for your kids. Is it rude to ask a girl if she has an OnlyFans? No, it's a rite of passage. You must ask. Oh, chat. We just got a bearish closure. But guess what? 10 minutes to go to the 4-hour close. This is nice, the way this closed here. Right at resistance. Yeah, anything. How do you think Paul funded his PC giveaway? Same thing. What will I get from telling lies? It won't make me fatter? No. You'll become a shitty person. I mean, well, it depends what kind of lie it is. Like, is it like, do I look fat in this dress? No, that kind of lie? Or is it like, honey, I crashed the car, meanwhile you gambled your entire life savings on the mortgage in Vegas? Like, what kind of lie are we talking about? Wix, have you looked at your stats or Donvo's before and after adding the 5-minute time frame? Any major difference? Yeah, $70,000. Or is it like I made 50K? Made 70K. It's relevant how much I made. You asked me what the difference between a 5-minute before I was doing and that. I'm telling you, the difference from doing the 5-minute and doing pre-5-minute is about 70,000. IX9 Mexico is looking also. Thank you for being here. Luis Rodriguez. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for showing love to us Americans. I appreciate you being here. Chat, I know from time to time we troll and all that shit, and you guys troll and you guys speak nonsense, you guys start internet beef, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Truly, thank you for being here. It's fucking incredible. We hit 6K subs yesterday. And now it doesn't even feel like we bought them. Look, it's 6.06K. It's probably like 6.1K by now. But sub to the channel. Let's get the viewers up in here. Let's crack this algo. Let's build a community. Let's get some dubs. Let's say goodbye to poverty. Hey. Thank you for taking time to stream. You're a great mentor. I do not mentor anybody. I don't know why you consider me a mentor. I'm more of a guide, right? Like, east, that way, right? Wait, no. That way. Well, now you guys know which way I'm facing. I'm facing east. If I was to just walk straight and keep walking, eventually, my dreads would float. So that's east. Donvo was your student, you were the mentor? No. He subscribed to my OnlyFans, and we've been inseparable ever since. 1 hour closes bullish pin bar. I'm not sure what a pin bar is, but will it gonna be a confirmation? 1 hour closes bullish pin bar. No, I need the 1 hour to close above. Right here. See where it says buys above closure? 1946.244. So I need the 1 hour to close. On the 5-minute, that level's a bit different. a bit higher. But for now, I'm looking for the higher time frame to close above there. Because that's the next closure. And if it closed above there, you would have seen the 4-hour flip bullish. See how that follows in line? The 4-hour flip bullish would have also been 1 hour closing above this level that we tend to drive from. When we consider your mentor. Thank you very much. Greetings from Turkey. I just started following you and thank you for your support. I need money today. Can you give me a signal? If we get one, you guys will know I'm in a trade. It's not financial advice. You guys will see what I'm doing. You guys have open access to my thought process and what I'm doing. Will we get a trade? I don't know. I don't run the markets. I'm not the liquidity provider. I'm not, can't call a bank, be like, now guys. But if we get one, if we get what I'm looking for, I'll trade it and you guys can watch me, you guys can join me, you guys do it with me, you can ask questions, do whatever you got to do. Mikhail Mullings. Weird name combination, right? Because you have like a Russian first name and then you have like a, I don't know, British last name. What's Mullings? Wix, do you open an LLC for your trading withdrawals? I'm just starting and I don't want IRS telling me a couple of years time I owe taxes. Well, first get profitable and then worry about that. But I have an S corp. But first you need to get profitable. Until you get consistent profitable, none of that matters. None of it matters. And believe me, once you have money, you'll find the tax guy real quick. Wix Don was laughing at your keyboard on stream the other day. Yeah, we addressed this yesterday on my stream and today on his stream. We addressed the keyboard situation. Thank you, Damon. You're tuned into the signals in a way. Yeah, basically. Likes the color green like weed. No, I like the color green like money. What's your superpower? Make money. Call the Banklins. Went and told Walmart to buy your keyboard. Hey, stop playing games right now. Walmart about to be at my door. That's Walmart right now. Why are you sliding in my DMs, dog? Just come on the stream. Oh, shit. How do you not fall asleep while smoking all day? I do it all the time. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. When people ask me if they should smoke when they trade, I tell them no, because what I do... Wix, thanks. Tim. Yes, Wix, first name is Russian. Yeah, I know. Hey, Wix, here from Jamaica. Hey. Yeah, I forgot what I was going to say. Lost my train of thought. You should not smoke when you trade. I can, but I am not the average. I am outside the average. I am not the norm when it comes to smoking. So what I do, you shouldn't do it because that's me. This is me. This is what I do. It's not what you do. If you all of a sudden start doing it, it's not you, right? So I don't fall asleep. I'm very functional. I do a lot. I get a lot of shit done. I literally, like right before I went out for an hour and a half walk with my kids, I was at the gym, right? And I smoked on my way into the gym. And as I was walking out the gym door, I had a lighter in my hand and I was lighting a joint. And no, I'm not a pothead. I'm a cannabis connoisseur. Right? There's a fucking difference. I enjoy what I smoke. Enjoy the process. I enjoy the company. And I'm very functional. And I am in the 1% because most of you will not be. Most of you would be sleeping all day. So I get shit done and more than I need to. And I just smoke. That's how I live. Yeah, like I go to my kids' school. They know I'm a weed head dad. I smell like weed. I don't give a damn. I walk in there, drop my kids off before anybody, reverse out the parking lot over the bushes, right through the fence, and I'm out. I don't care, right? They know me. T-bone a school bus. Who cares? We're good. Same bush, same fence every day. Yeah, it says Wix's bush. Wix's fence. One thing about me, I'm always gonna smell just like a little bit weed. I always smell like I have weed on me. Don't care. There was a point in life where I did care. Yo, Don, you gonna hop on this stream? What's going on? You joining us? Look, chat. Got a minute, 2 minutes to go. If we close below this area here, right, on the 5. Four-hour doesn't have a top wick. It'd be nice if the 4-hour could come up, make a top wick. 1 hour closed bullish, but see, 1 hour also closed bullish, but barely a top wick there. So I would expect this 4-hour and the 1 hour to come up, make a top wick, and eventually come down, because this previous 1 hour is telling me there's not much range to come up. So if it tops out like that, we close below here on the 30 and on the 5. And it'll be breaking the previous 15. Logic tells us that we have this range to the left to fill. Right? We can, from everything we just said, we can deduce that this cleanness might get filled. And, or at least to here, right? And that would be roughly 13, the whole range here 20. It sounds like a good idea. Sounds like a plan if we get some closures below here. If not, where do we want to look for buys above this level? We'll look for 5-minute confirmations above this level. The smoke effect on your gym life? Yeah, it makes it much faster. I go in there, don't talk to nobody, I zone in, and I'm out. That's a bad smell to walk around with. You crazy. I love that smell. I love the smell of weed. You should see the reactions of people. They're like, no way is he walking around like that. And then I can tell that they wish they didn't care as much as I don't care. I can just see that they smoke at home and then they gotta go fucking hide all the shit and fuck. God damn it, I'm gonna get caught. Oh, this guy's walking around, he don't care. Look at him. I wish I could do that. That's exactly how it is. You crazy? I love this smell. My neighbors thank me for this smell every day. I'm the life, I'm the smell life of my surroundings, right? Because everywhere I go, everyone's like, is that you? Or to each other, right? I hear them talking, and I'd be like, who's that? I wish I knew who that was. Why? So you could be jealous. Be jealous silently, dog. All right, I think we're gonna look for buys on the 5 above here. This is our solid 5 level. Look, every time we close above, we tend to drive. Closed above here, drove, closed above. Well, it only drove to this area, so we're only coming up to here, and we can use that to our advantage. See if there's enough room there. If not, we'll wait for the next range. This is 5 pips. That's definitely not enough room. But what does it look like on the 30? Oh, this is a nice level. Yeah. I like this area. So yeah, this is where we're going to look for buys above, right here. Until then, take it easy. Do you tend to always wait for 1 hour closures as confirmations? No. I wait for candles to align. So I really would, ideally, I want the daily and the 4 hour and the 1 hour and the 30 and the 5 here all in the same direction. Looks, remember me? I said buys? Okay. Did you take them? Do we not care about the previous hour no top wick? We do, and that's why I was expecting to come down. But if we start closing up above here, we can, that's why we zoom into the 5, right? So we can start having an indication before the higher time frames start heading there. So we close above here, I'm going to expect the higher time frame to continue up to retest the highs. Sir, my loss from 1929. If you're in a hold, if you're holding a trade from 1929, $19.29 was on. What was this? This was yesterday. You're holding this position from yesterday, right? From last night. I think you're on your way to profitability, honestly. If you're holding this since last night, you got fucking ice in your veins. Balls of steel. Cojones grandes. You holding all this drawdown, you're asking me for? Nah, you give me advice. What should I do? Because you over here just chilling since last night. Wix, can I send you a Rasta Wix special weed hat? Of course you can. I just and took the buy. The 1 hour candle's clear, 18 pip up. But if you break down 5 minutes like this, minor resistance, there should be the 1 candle 18 pip range. What? There's minor resistance there. Yeah, the 1 hour candle is clean to drive up. I want to close above the 5 hour ranges. It's clean to drive up. If it does drive up, we don't know it's going to drive up. You know why? Because the previous 1 hour here closed with no top wick. So for all I know, we can hit this level and reject and come back down. And I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be like, oh shit, where did that come from? No, I'd be like, yeah, we should have seen that. I'm not here to like be like, oh, that's enough for me. No, I'm not here to settle. I'm gonna get my shit or I'm not trading, right? Sooner you get that mindset, the sooner you stop settling in trading and in life overall in general, the better, the higher quality of your being will be. There's no smoke on the vape? You crazy? Don't believe your lying eyes. Or hold on, you must have heard another streamer say it, and now you come in here with that. No smoke in the vape. Wix is a scammer. I know it. I know it. This is how it starts. That's blue smoke? No, that's blue drink. I got that blue drink. Actually, no, chat. I'm not going to show you the color of this cup. Hope you got real cars. There's some foo-foo out there. I got 710 Labs. Ah, scam. You scam. We all scam for. Scam, scam. And that's why I do not take a buy there because, yeah, like we just said, right? We literally just said this because this previous 1 hour, look, it's closed with no top wick. We can literally just drive up to this level, but we don't know if we're going to break it. We might reject here because if this 1 hour closed more bullish and with a top wick, that'd be an ideal situation for us. We didn't get that. So if it's not ideal for us, why are we even looking at it, right? Now let's continue. Let's continue looking at what we can get. See, something like this. Look, a closure back into this. Oh, motherfucker. Pay attention. Zoom annotations. Something like this would be ideal. See right here below this range. We just drive down here. This candle never closed, just drove through, indicating clean range. So I'm going to look for this candle to come down here. And if this is a candle that we can get, I'm gonna anticipate the higher time frames going bearish and us filling this range down. What I'm gonna anticipate it based on, on what I've sample sized. This is, this is knowledge guided by experience. Nothing I've read. Check the 1 minute. Okay, hold on. Checked. There you go. We just checked the 1 minute. Is that good? Did you ever trade other strategies when you started out before breakouts? Yeah, I used to lose before. And then I found this and I stopped losing, and I was like, wow, it doesn't need to be a loss. I can win. I stuck to what wins. Can't trade lower time frames. I also can't trade US 30. I also can't trade futures. I do what I do, right? I trade my way on gold. God bless you. Hey, teachers, I hope you can trade what you do. And, right? We don't all have to lose. We can all win. And the way we trade is really perspective. You obviously do not have the same relationship with money that I do. And you also did not grow up the same way, with the same childhood and the same parents who had the same gave you the same opportunities as they did with me. Maybe it was better, maybe it was less, more, I don't know. But therefore, we can deduce that our perspective on things is different, right? All we can do is respect each other's perspective. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for speaking in our chat and adding to the algo. And hope you stick around and maybe provide some value or get some value out of this. When you start trading, we start 8 p.m. and at 10 p.m. and we start in the morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern on It's Donvo stream, and we end that at around 10 a.m. Eastern. So 6:30 to 10 and 8 to 10 in the evening, right? Be there tomorrow. Tomorrow, New York session continues. And if you're not subbed yet, go over there. The channel is It's Donvo. Sub to his channel, turn on notifications. This way you guys will know when he's on. And in the morning when you get the notification, all you got to do is open your eye, turn it on your phone, turn on the volume, and then close your eyes again and wait for, okay, chat, we're getting in a position here. And then you open your eyes and press a button, right? And that's our morning stream. And also, make sure you show up tomorrow, same time as today, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube for our Asian session stream. Tomorrow is our last stream of the week, right? We do Monday through Thursday. If you show up on Friday, God bless you. You're going to be hearing crickets. Nothing there on Friday, right? Because that's the Asian Saturday. Hopefully Wick shows up at 8 p.m. I was here on the dot. I was here at 7:59. I just needed to get ready, right? I turned on the stream at 7:59, to be fair. It's just that 8 p.m. to 8:05. I needed a few minutes, okay? I just got in. I don't know if Don's on here still. I think he's upset because the Rangers were down 1-0, but they just scored 2 goals, so we're up 2-1. And as I say it, oh, they're about to bang one in. No, they didn't. So yeah, the Rangers are up 2-1. I think Don might be a little pissed. 3 seconds. Did we close below? 2, 1. Oh wait, stop leaving these damn checks. What the fuck is going on? Get rid of these checks. No chat. No. I mean, barely. Like, no, that's not. What? Like, that's not a closure below there. Like, is it? It did, right? Like, I can't. That's like. I really had to zoom into that one. Let's see. me look at my broker. I want to see if it goes below on the broker. Yeah, on the broker, it closed clearly below. Well, not clearly. It's okay. We we should we shouldn't have to do that to a chart and bastardize it like that. Here, so this is the level. We have to close below here. Falls in line with this level. Once that happens, we'll be in sells. We got 2 minutes here. Let's wait for this candle. I expect this candle to close below here. Once it does, I'm gonna be in, and our stops will be the top of this range here. Oh, unless it just drives right now. We'll see. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes is a lot of time for a 5-minute candle. It's half a candle. This moment, it's looking like 22 pip stops for roughly 22. The advantage point. And look, the 4 hours filling the wick down, flipped. Nice top wick on the 4 hour. It closed below, right? No, it didn't. It didn't clearly close below for me. If it was really obviously clear, then I don't mind. But if I gotta, we say this on downstream. If we have to be like, well, if and question ourselves and guess, then it's not worth it, right? Because then when it goes against you, you're like, I should have known. It wasn't clear. Like, why sit there and regret, right? Let's get some assurity. Yeah, what about it? So you think it's gonna you think it's gonna come up here and tap into this zone above 1947 before driving down? Or are you saying that we just tapped into that zone? Bro, you want to hop on stream? I'm getting chat. I'm getting an up-to-date analysis from Don, and he believes it's gonna tap into this area here. above 1946.5, somewhere to 1948. And grab liquidity there, but eventually drive down. And it would make sense on the higher time frame, as well as it would be exactly what happened yesterday, right? Should have driven down, then ended up coming up, grab liquidity here, and then look at this big drive down. So it would make sense. Oh, he said he wouldn't expect it to tap there. He says he would wait for it to tap there. You have to say that on stream too. I don't need to say anything on stream, bruh. I could say you're wearing a bra and a skirt right now. They'd have to listen to me. Come on stream and vibe out with us. What's going on? You know the Rangers are going to score right now. It's 2 minutes left in the third. The Rangers are going to win this either now or on 4-4 in overtime. He said, I'm going to put the red panties on for you. Word, grab the red panties, bring them on stream. It's a celebration. When you're drawing your ranges at all time frames, are you searching for when it made drives, large moves? No, I'm searching for where there's clean hourly candles or 30-minute candles, and then I go to the 5-minute. This maybe explains it better. I look for a clean move. Here, see clean on the hourly, clean here on the hourly, and then I zoom in on the 5, and I see where I can break below the 5-minute range in order to take advantage of the higher time frame drive. So this way, when I enter, I like the higher time frame is what clears the way. But the lower time frame is my indication of where to enter. No, I don't know why Don ain't coming on here. What's good, Aaron?
Aaron, where are you? Where is Aaron right now?
You right here.
No Aaron, huh? Well, you.
Yeah, but here's my thing. So if Don would like it to grab liquidity here from this wick, right? Before it drives down. But if you kind of look at it, we've tapped into this wick, right? We've tapped into it over here. Anything above here, we're in the wrong direction, so you can use this for stops. And anything below here is clean to drive down, and we already tapped into this area. So this is just as far as this session is concerned. All right, everybody? But in reality, on the higher time frames, we are looking for this to happen during London. Maybe pre-London. Not gonna happen in the next 10 minutes for it to drive all the way up there. Look at this. 15 closed below here. 15 kind of faked out. So you'd expect top wick here on the 15 and a drive down. 30 faked out. Another positionless Asian. This is Asian session. You should know what you're getting yourself into. This is more of a vibe out and learn session. We do get trades. We average, look, we average 3 trades a week. And we average 3 trades a week all of Q4. But you know what? If you get a chance to vibe out and you get a chance to learn something, the biggest thing is value. Like if you're getting something out of this, if you're learning something, great. And if you're also getting a trade, beautiful. But really, you should be getting, not taking a bad trade is a W in itself. You should be grabbing value out of my perspective and the way I break down things. And whatever you like, you emulate it. You take it for yours, right? You incorporate it into your own style. Whatever you don't like, you leave out. And you move on. You help yourself, right? The goal for you is to come here and help yourself. I'm going to be here regardless, right? I'm going to smoke my joint whether you're here or not. I'm going to take my trades whether you're here or not. But I'm giving you an insight into what maybe others haven't. And if this can, provide some growth for you, if this can be a part of your growth, bless you, man. Things you learn here, you can apply in 2 hours from now in London, and then in fucking 10 hours from now in New York, and then in 24 hours once again on your own in Asian if you don't want to be here with us. But pretty freaking profitable. Going to overtime, huh? Rangers, Leafs. So original 6 matchup, I think, right? Like I said yesterday, look, when I needed some help, when I was learning, none of this shit was around. There was nobody streaming this shit. I had to email people that I knew traded, and then I send them a chart, and then 2 weeks later, I get a reply that said, "Oh, that looks good." Like this shit played out 2 weeks ago. Well, that looks good. And what kind of response is that if I'm asking you for, detail? Now, you get direct access. You go on fucking YouTube, chat. Yo, Wix. How much money you got in your pocket? No, but you just go on here and be like, yo, why do you do this? Or what do you see here? Or why is your level there? How do you draw your levels? What tool do you use, right? And this shit is fucking right here, right? Hey, Reza W. Thank you, appreciate you. So yeah, with that being said, drop a like. Sub to the channel, turn on notifications, and maybe, just maybe, there will be a position. Damn, this is tough. Look, it's flipping, hitting this level, doesn't want to break. $30, look, 30 flip, right? But is it a range 2? It's not. 30 range 2 would be below here. Can I email you? Of course. We draw levels on 5 minute. No, we utilize all the levels from the daily on down. And determine the most valid level that applies to us and to that session and to our price point where we'd like to be. That's it. Did they take a break at that moment, Campbell? Wow, you have really good memory, huh? You have really good memory. Or you really listen. You probably took Don's advice and bought some headphones, right? No, I was banging my head against the wall and somebody was like, maybe you're doing too much. Maybe you should get rid of all of this and start over. I was like, what? I learned all this shit and now I should start over? And then it hit me. I don't really need any of this. Like any of these indicators, this fibs, but when the homie told me, hey, maybe you're doing too much, just start over. Taking the wrong path. That was fucking life-changing. No! They won? Wow. Wow. Yo, if Don tries to come on right now, I'm not even letting him in. Straight cheese. You had your chance. You could have been on here and talk shit right now, but wow. Now you're gonna... Now... Damn, the range is lost, and you can just come in here and talk all that nonsense. Nah. We'll save it for tomorrow's stream. Hey, W. Diego. Diego's this. I always feel like Diego's half asleep, and that's why he's donating money. He doesn't know what he's doing with all these. He's just... Fuck it. Send it to Wix. No, I appreciate you, dog. That's incredible. Diego has not missed a session. You want to talk about consistency? That boy is consistent. He is here every session donating. That tells you something. That means they're not living just for themselves. They're living for others. Spread the love. Yo, if you guys lucky enough to be part of Don's money giveaway over the last few weeks, go fucking shout him out. Shout out his channel. I know he's paid a few bills over the last few weeks. So yeah, appreciate all of yous. If you're donating or not. Diego, you're the man. Awesome. Nah, not just the Asian. He donated downstream. When's your money giveaway? I'm not giving away money. I have something in mind, but it's going to be in the second half of the year. I really want it to be like big widespread or something. So I'd maybe 20, 30K. When we have 20 or 30K subs, I think by the end of the year we can do it. Mark it right now. January 25th, 2023. I said it. I think by December 25th, we are going to be at around 30K subs. And it'll be a perfect time to do a giveaway. And I'll know who was on for a long time. It'll be like a giveaway that only, I think, only the loyal ones will be able to enter. PC giveaway? No, that's Paul's thing. Paul is scamming people with a PC giveaway. He's pretty consistent with it too. Paul's been doing a PC giveaway for the last year, at least a few months. Selling below the supporta. Sporte. Z self. This is like fun. doesn't spell fun. Whatever. You feel like I should move the support to 1945.5, right? Here. Okay, so you're looking at this area. You're looking at this area for support, right? And we closed below it, and now we should drive down. I understand. But now that we closed below it, how come we haven't driven down? Because there's this area as well, right? And while your support is in the middle of a higher time frame candle, my support's right at it. Actually, no, I'm lying. It's in the middle of a higher time frame candle too. It's just it's not in the middle of a 5-minute candle. My support's here at an actual support. Yeah, there's a level here where you're thinking of, but why would you take a sell here and then bump right into this level right away, right? Like, yeah, you can take a sell below 1945.5 at like 1945.4, but then what are you doing? You have 4 pips of range, and then boom, right away you're bumping into another support. Or you can just wait for it to break, and once it breaks and closes below, you have confirmation, right, that it broke. You're not guessing if it's gonna react at this support, you just seen it break. So then you have these 10, 20 pips to take advantage of. That's just my approach, right? That's the way I see it. It's not the correct way. It's not the wrong way. It's just my perspective on things. Why would you want to sell and have a support immediately right after it? So you're selling into another support. Just pick out a cleaner range, clean candles, and then drive. You want your candle, right? You want your candle to be this instead of this, right? Because if this was really a closure below, next we would have driven here, but we met some support. You really don't want to sit through this drawdown to this play. So breaking the low here. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good here, chat. I'm taking a sell on the close of this candle right here. I got a short here. This is what it's looking like. And this is where I'll manage risk at 1943.85.9. So, see, I guess we did get a trade today. It's not another tradeless stream. You guys gotta have some patience. All right, chat, I'm moving my stops to break even here. I'm break even. I have not closed anything yet. Okay. Hold. I got 10 on the dot. I need another pip here. You know what? I'm closing half. I'm closing half at. I got 9. This. All right, chat. Well, I closed half at 9, and I got 50% running, and I'm break even. And the other half, I'm gonna let run, and I'll close full if we hit this target here at 19 pips. The reason I went break even here and close on because this is an advantage point that we have. See, we've rejected at this level here yesterday, on the Wednesday 25th. Yeah, so this was last night, I think, right? This is last night. No, yesterday, middle of the day, but it rejected here and came all the way up. So I don't want the same, for it to reject the same way here, and start driving up. This is our advantage point that we wanted to play, and I told you as soon as we hit that point, I'm gonna go break even, and that's our trade. Nice job, everybody. Congratulations. Hey, love you. Love you. So, didn't take it, but W boys. Damn, unfortunately, my spreads were a lot wider than usual. Got stopped out before for secure profits. It's not over yet. It can run. I just don't want to get if it rejects here and starts coming up. I don't really want to be in that. Nice, sweetie. Not worth it for me right now. Closing right now since I lost 50 pips this morning. Yeah, but right after the stream, there was massive opportunity. You could have done what Don did and all back. I think Don caught a buy, I believe, and then he caught, as he was in drawdown, he stacked his position and just caught massive dubs. He closed right at this support here. He closed exactly at this support like yesterday. See this area? So this is why you don't want to be, or why you want to have risk off the table as soon as you tapped here. Yesterday you tapped into this area and you just go straight up. But we also have this area to our advantage from 1944 down to 1942, that if it did close below here, you know, we are risk-free, baby. You know, there's no risk on the table, so it's house money at this point. You could have ridden ridden that to 20 pips. Just wait. I just see this rejection from yesterday, and I know that this is the best advantage point I have. That's why I closed partials there. You could have closed full. You could have not closed anything, just managed risk, and just went break even. You didn't have to go break even. But I think it's very wise, just based on what happened yesterday, right? Study of historical price data. That's what we do here. We trade price action. Hey, bro, any chance we could do stream together? I don't know. DM me. I don't know who you are or what you are about. I don't know. But honestly, I'd rather take the trade and take the 9 here than not have taken a trade at all, knowing that we can reject here, because we got a fucking dub, yo. I'd rather take the 9. You telling me you're gonna walk on the street, see 9 pips laying down, you ain't gonna take it. I see 9 pips, I'll fight somebody over 9 pips. I'd be like, excuse me, I just dropped that. That shit fell right out of my pocket. Don't you dare pick that up. That's mine. On your own 9 pips. My tree was 944.69. My spread's 1.4 right now. Hey, chat. As we hit BE here, I'm out. I am out. It's 9:55. That's our stream. Perfect. In the last 10 minutes of the stream, we got 9 pips. Good session. I agree, Kay. Very valuable session. It was a lot of value. Forget the trade. Yeah, trade. It might still play out. I don't know. If anyone didn't move their stops to be over there. But a lot of value. Patience always pays. We get paid to wait, and that's what happened today. Sometimes it's 9, sometimes it's 39. Last week we had a 45 pip trade. So just bring your A game, right? Bring your will to get better. Growth mindset over goals mindset. Don't have a goal on how much you want to make here. Try to grow. Always try to grow. Why don't you come on earlier? Because I have 3 daughters and I have to dedicate some family time to them. Like I said, I was walking into stream today at 7:59, just running in after going skateboarding with them and rollerblading and all that shit. Thursdays be fire and forex. Just another day. Just another day in the markets. Nothing separates Thursdays from Tuesdays. Well, it does. Wednesday separates Thursdays from Tuesdays, but that's besides the point. Nothing in the, mindset of the market changes. Rahman DM'd. Yeah, I'll look through some shit. I'll look through all my DM. You know how many people have DM'd me in the last during the stream? So yeah, is it the same name? Is it this Atik? I'll look for that name. It's almost 3 a.m., but I'm going to watch. Gonna try to watch this stream from now on. Yeah, beautiful. I think you're new. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Can we get to 300 likes in the next 4 minutes? Let's do it, chat. That's specific. What's your overhead shoulder press 1 rep max? I don't know. Never tried. I go in, I do my sets. I go up with every set, but I never maxed out anything. I've never done like a PR session or try and see what my PR is. I have no idea. I'm not in there to break records. I'm in there to look good, bro. I told you guys earlier, I just want to look good when I'm slanging that thing. You know what I'm saying? When I'm at home naked in the mirror, I just want to look good. That's it. That's all that matters. I'm also sad I'm new and this is my first time and I get ignored. DJ VIP 2011. Look, we just shouted you out. Don't be sad. Where did I ignore you? I have no idea where I ignored you. This chat. Whatever. Dropping you Wix Wisdom. That's okay. I love your styles of trading. Beautiful. Then keep showing up. Drop a new Wix Wisdom. I will. I'm gonna drop a new Wix Wisdom. I have the footage recorded. Like I said, I need an editor, and there's a couple of people in my DMs that I haven't even looked at that have sent me shit. I've been mad busy. I'll look through shit. If you're good at editing and doing shit like that, DM me. 276, 24 more likes. Yeah, 20 more likes. Hopefully we can get there and break the YouTube algo once and for all. Other than that, I think we're gonna call it a stream here. Thank you, moderators. You guys are fucking awesome. I got the best fucking mods. Green, appreciate you. Johnny Boy, he's not here anymore, but he's not even a mod, but he was here first. You know what I said I was gonna play? I said I was gonna play a GeoGuessr. Let's figure this out. Let's see if I can get it to play. Bad, I was muted. Said, hold on, I gotta sign up for this shit, right? And I didn't know I had to sign up. Oh, and now they got a thumbnail tutorial. Hold on. I don't know if I can share this. Can I share this? Let's see. Nah, I got chat. I'm gonna make sure this game is safe. I'm gonna play the game first a couple times, and then tomorrow, or maybe starting on Monday, we'll run the game. Because I'll fucking turn it on and it'll just have my location pinned. I'm good. So yeah. Thank you, squad. Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Thank you, mods. Thank you, Diego. Appreciate the dono. Goated. And thank you, everybody, for showing up. Thank you, trolls. And thank you, YouTube, for providing us this platform. Don Vo showed up. It was a great session. We got some value. We got a dub. And let's keep it going. Stream record, I'll update it for next time. It's 6-2-1 now. And yeah, that's it. We got something. I'm off to smoking a pancake, bong and a blintz. Yep, this is it. Later, boys. Good night, everybody. Love and wisdom.